Sometimes we hear appraisal and inspection be used kind of at the same time, but they are two different types of values. The appraisal is what the bank sends out to determine the home's value. They do this based on a number of things, the condition, the upgrades, and based on what other homes that are like that one have sold for. Your inspection, though, is for you. The appraisal will go to the bank and the inspection is for you to keep. It's a one-day overview of how the home is working. Now, there's no indicator of a future performance. So if you have a home inspection and you move in and the AC breaks, it doesn't mean that the inspection was bad. It just meant that on that day of the home inspection, it was working. Now, of course, the inspector's job is to go through the house to find as many things as possible to give you an idea of what you're buying so you can further determine, is the home worth it, or should we go and ask the seller to make repairs or give us a credit?